Hello, and welcome to the Underhive.
So a few days ago, I did a review, if you like, of just me putting together this. Well, not even this, but a Rode NT USB microphone and shock mount and the pop shield. Sorry, microphone, shock mount, studio arm. This pop shield is completely separate. The arm is good. The arm, to be fair, is pretty good. The shock mount seems to do the job, but they do actually do a shock mount with a pop shield included. Which, to be fair, if I'd have seen that at the time, I would have got that. But sadly, you'll be able to hear from the audio. I have no doubt that it's crackling. It's an absolute shambles. Now, this is the second microphone I've had in as many weeks. The first one I've already got boxed up downstairs. Amazon have been fantastic. Yeah, they're a big company, and they should be able to do things like that. But they've been really good. I can't complain at all with Amazon. I think they've been fantastic every step of the way. Rode, on the other hand, I contacted them either Sunday or Monday. And I've still not had a straight answer out of them, which is a real shame because for the top price product maybe not top price, but for a USB mic, it's pretty pricey. 150 quid for the microphone, 75 quid for the arm, and 25-ish quid for the shock mount. You'd have thought they'd be pretty keen on customer service. Evidently not. They just go, oh yeah, just change the settings in control panel. Well, I'll show you that. We'll go in sound. Just drag that over here so you can see it. So Rode microphone, properties, advanced. It's on DVD quality, and I can assure you, if this quality was on a DVD, you'd have took the DVD back. It's only at 50%, and you can see down here it's nowhere near peaking out as far as the mic's concerned. Yet the quality is very bad. This headset mic is better because it doesn't do that. Now, don't get me wrong. If you move your head a little bit, you hear that, but there's no way I'm sitting and editing all this crackling. So I've had two mics in as many weeks. This one is literally fresh out of the box. It got delivered at 3:00, and I've since got off the phone with Amazon saying, yeah, we'll take it back. We'll take all of it back. So firstly, again, thank you to Amazon. I think they've done a good job. And secondly, no, Rode, that is not a quality product, and it is not quality service. You should do better than that for the price I'm paying, because this headset was not even as expensive as this mic, and the microphone within the headset is a lot better, given that it doesn't crackle. So I'm going to listen to this back. The proof will be in the pudding. But if it ends up being uploaded, if you're seeing it, then I can guarantee you that the sound's bad, because that was my point. If it works, I'll cancel my return and we'll see where we go. But I don't have any faith at all that that's happening. Well, sorry to leave you on that sad note, but it's been really frustrating for the last few days trying to sort this out. We'll carry on with the headset mic for now, and I'm going to have a look at some other mic options. But I'm going to leave the review up there with this just because I don't want it to just be reviews of things that are good. It's an honest review. I really wanted this to work, and it doesn't. So, what can you do? Well, I will see you next time in the Underhive.